So Mesh is a modern performance management system that fits the way hypergrowth companies work. It makes it super easy for people and teams to accomplish their goals and get timely feedback. How we decided to start building and reimagining performance management is a bit of a story. So I personally spent well over a decade in human capital consulting, where I worked with funded startups as well as Fortune 500 companies, about 300 client assignments in performance management and employee engagement. Tools and technology they had to scale these practices or institutionalize after a consultant had done their work and left them with the new program. Those were very, very rigid. They were hated by business leaders, by people managers, by employees. In fact, HR process owners themselves had started to hate those tools. That's where we saw an opportunity. I got the chance to collaborate with my two co-founders who are seasoned B2B tech entrepreneurs. In any organization, a poorly managed performance management system impacts four types of personas. People managers just don't have the visibility on their people's ongoing progress, so they are unable to kind of have timely coaching conversations and feedback. Team members themselves start to get disengaged when they don't have visibility on, hey, what's my company's most important goals and how am I contributing to it? And HR process owners, for them, every time performance reviews come around, it's like a 2-3 month process, which is a huge headache. And performance reviews themselves just get done as a check in the box exercise rather than actually improving company performance or giving fairer reviews to employees. So these are the four critical challenges across the four different personas that any organization faces when they don't leverage modern performance management tools. Enterprise customers, which is a unicorn in India called ShareChat. When we started working with ShareChat, they were about 400 employees strong. Remotely, they have grown up to close to 1,500 employees. And they were again an organization that is a very, very modern hyper-growth company that had a lot of these practices on continuous performance management in place. But they were all being run offline on things like Google Sheets, Google Docs, etc. So while these conversations were happening, all of this data, it was becoming very, very challenging for them to aggregate this data to even run performance reviews in a fair and transparent manner. So when they moved to Mesh, they were able to do two things very, very quickly. Number one, they were able to scale their rapidly changing goals and OKRs across a very fast increasing, rapidly increasing remote employee base, which doing on Google Sheets would have been a nightmare. It would have taken them several quarters to be able to align goals across such a rapidly increasing, remote employee base. And the second piece was that, let's say, having fortnightly stand-ups in teams around aligning across companies' goals or teams' goals, all of those meetings became fairly automated because the platform was, built in such a manner that you save time in running these meetings. Sometimes you don't even need to meet in person or over a Zoom call to actually have a quick stand-up on Mesh. And finally, they were able to reduce the time it takes to run performance reviews by 50%. So in a nutshell, we basically scaled goals and OKRs on our platform 3 times in less than half the amount of time. Business review meetings were cut in time and improved in effectiveness by about 40%. And performance reviews across the entire organization were run, with 100% of the employees being covered in half the amount of time that it was taking to run these on their traditional HRMS platform. At Mesh, the entire product philosophy is something that we call self-expression, self-awareness, and self-management. Self-expression means that a knowledge worker should be able to go in the system and essentially, be able to request or share feedback with a manager, a leader, or a team member whenever they feel the need for it, right? So while organizations configure on Mesh certain rituals based on their internal processes, knowledge workers can actually leverage the platform to request or share this feedback on a real-time basis, just like they would otherwise, let's say on social media or on Slack or Microsoft Teams, etc. The second piece is that every knowledge worker, people manager, or business leader, which is self-awareness, has complete visibility on the performance of the company, the team, as well as their individual performance on an ongoing basis. So while traditional performance management systems are like a black box, you have to wait till the end of the year to get a standard performance assessment report. Mesh actually shares with you how you are doing on a real-time basis, be this against your goals and expectations, or be this against, let's say, your values or competencies that you get feedback on. So you can actually open up your dashboard on Mesh and see how you are doing and what you need to do differently tomorrow or next week yourself. You don't really need to wait for a performance review or your manager to sit down with you to explain that. And finally, that's the self-awareness piece. And then finally, the moment you have started allowing people to self-express themselves at work and also become more self-aware about the things that I mentioned, it will automatically start leading to healthier practices of self-management rather than only traditional top-down management where everyone's waiting for their next set of instructions to work on, for the next day or the next week. So that's really how the whole platform has been designed, and that's how we solve for continuous performance conversations on an ongoing basis. So Mesh actually gives real-time interactive dashboards to business leaders, people managers, as well as every team member.